I don't want to waste your time with a long unboxing video, so let's get started with a quick unboxing of the Fitbit Sense. For new users of Fitbit Premium, the Sense comes with a 6-month trial. Luckily, most features are available without Premium. Once we open up the box, we see that the presentation of the device is quite nice, much better than I've seen for other Fitbit devices. The charging cable is on the left, we can just slide it out, and then we need to tear open a second package to actually get to the charging cable itself. On the right we have the large size band of the Fitbit Sense. Similar to the Charge 4, it comes with both a large and a small size band. The moment I took it out of its packaging, my Fitbit Sense booted up, and on the screen it provides instructions on how to set up the device. You need to create a Fitbit account and then you can easily connect the Sense to your profile. While setting up the device, it needs to charge, and the charger actually only goes on one way. Once your Sense is detected, you connect it to your phone by entering the 4-digit number on the display, after which your Sense is updated. Your Sense can measure an ECG, detect high and low heart rate, and measure your temperature. It can also measure electrodermal activity, track your workouts, and predict your sleep stages. Finally, with some banks it can be used to do wireless payments. To put on the device, you have to close the strap in a very specific way. The strap goes through the first loop and then back into the second loop. Now, in order to get nightly SpO2 measurements, you need to install a special clock face, because without this clock face this will not be recorded. In my videos I do scientific tests on different devices like the Oura Ring, the Fitbit and the Scanwatch. Sunday I'll release a video on the heart rate accuracy of the Sense. If you like that subject and like this video, consider subscribing to my channel. For now, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.